morning, everyone. Welcome on in to North Dakota today. I'm Sophia Richards.
And I'm Griffin Serio.
And we are joined by our dear friend, John David Birdall this morning.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, top of the show.
I know, we switch up a little bit.
Yes, this is amazing.
Yes. Okay, well, we are going to kick our Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right?
I believe
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Okay,
all day.
you guys,
All day.
this
It's
week
Wednesday
is like
all day.
getting away from me. Our Wednesday morning show here on North Dakota Today with a fun little art project with
Yes.
our friend. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Hey, everybody.
Let's get after it.
Yes, absolutely. So we're going to be working on squish painting today, okay? It's really nothing more complex than here's our sort of paper. All right, we're going to be painting on that.
Okay.
You know, and then here's our paints, acrylic paints. So I'll give you just
All right.
some to start with.
Perfect.
There we go. We can mix them, of course. you know,
Right.
but I just gave you
Okay.
a bottle. Some people are kind of like, can I only? You know, it's like, no. You can utilize everything.
Okay, I love it.
Everything at your disposal, whatever. And so, yeah, we can put some paint on top of this on the paper, and then we're going to put that inside of a bag and squish it. Yeah, I see some faces.
Yes, we have an audience
Yeah,
in
it's
studio
really great.
this morning.
It's really great. I had said we ought to just have a line of people come through and just kind of like, ooh, wow. You know,
Yes.
I think that would be neat. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and put some paint on
Okay,
there.
I'm
That's what we're
getting
doing.
started, putting my red all over. So as far as the amount,
Yeah, you
how
can't.
much?
You can't have
A
too much,
little-
right?
Can't have
okay.
too much. You know,
Can I have some of the blue too?
absolutely. Here you go. It
Okay, we
tastes
can
great.
do some.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't know about that. Okay,
Some people are like, what?
seriously. Okay, so I feel like this would
need
be
red?
I will go
a
red next.
great
Absolutely.
project for the kiddos.
Oh, absolutely. Anyone who has a type of, I don't know, maybe need or a want or a desire to have a certain type of sensory experience with art.
For sure.
You know, and art materials or
Right.
art media. You know, so yeah, that could be kids, but that could also be adults. You know, this could be
Yeah.
a sort of, you know, therapeutic sort of activity, you know, a sort of stress relieving or self-soothing sort
Yeah.
of activity.
Sure.
Yep,
For
and so
sure.
I'm going to add some yellow, but yeah, you can start to put that inside
Okay,
of the,
here's
go
what
ahead
it
and
looks like beforehand. I just kind of squirted it kind of all over, but a decent amount. I'd say there's some
I did
good
the same
globs
thing.
on there.
Absolutely.
Okay, Griffin's got some ketchup and mustard
I
color
do, I
over
do.
there.
I've got blue and yellow. There we go. For a moment, it looked like a dolphin on the monitor. There we go. I got the
Okay.
beginnings of a dolphin, which is nice. There we go. So yeah, it's going to
Oh,
stick a
yeah.
little, but it's okay.
Gonna slide it in.
Goes in there. How's everyone's morning going?
I can't complain yet.
Oh, okay. Will
I
you
mean,
later?
besides not knowing what day it was.
Right.
Oh, yeah. So there we go. I put it inside the bag. You know, it's really swell. Like it just stays so clean.
Right.
You know, and I'm just going to start moving some of it around. You know, with the hands.
Okay.
Yeah, with the thumbs, you know, pushing it in this way and that way. There's no wrong way to do this.
Right, 'cause
That's what's great about this project. With art in general, there's no wrong way to do anything.
What's
all
the
right?
quote you said the last time you were on here?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Thank you for putting me on the spot. That's wonderful. That's so great. But yeah, so what I say is if it's not messy, it's not art.
Right, there you
Oh,
go.
okay.
Perfect.
that's
It's
good.
not art. And I just taught an art class last night, a drawing class. Okay. And so, hello, drawing class. I told them I'd say hi. Hello, drawing class. And yeah, so they talked about, a couple students talked about being perfectionists. You know, and often I start classes that way. You know, it's kind of like, okay, do we have any perfectionists in the room? And they'll raise their hands, and it's like, okay, thank you for letting me know. 'Cause
Ahead
this
of
is going to
time.
be challenging for you. You know?
Yeah.
That it has to be right, or it has to be the best, or it has to be, you know, whatever it is. I don't argue with people about that. I'm not going to try and stop them from being a perfectionist. I'm doing this right here. I just took the hand and I just pressed it. I pushed it in
Right.
the direction like that. If I almost knocked this off the table, that'd be a mess, absolutely. And then it'd be art, right?
It would be.
Yeah.
Still be art.
I love that. Okay,
Yes.
this is so much fun. Just kind of feeling the different like textures
Oh,
of the
yeah.
globs of paint underneath my fingers
Yes,
it's quite
certainly.
exciting.
Yeah, hopefully. If it wasn't, you would tell me, right? Like
For sure,
This
absolutely.
is really boring.
Maybe during the commercial break.
During the commercial break, it'd be like, you know, let's not do that
Like,
again.
ah.
Let's not start the show that way again.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, you
Griffin,
took yours
you're all
out. Good.
done.
Okay.
Mine's done, yeah, for the
Okay.
most part.
Okay, I see some texture in there. You
Yeah.
got
Yeah.
like some waves.
nice.
Cool.
See, and then I brought other colors of paper, and so you can work
Oh,
that
sweet.
way too.
Different
okay?
backgrounds,
Yes,
yep.
different backgrounds.
Sweet.
Absolutely. You know. And so about perfectionism, what I told them is I don't argue with that too much, but I do say I tell perfectionists it's like trying to stay in bed all day. You know, after a while you just can't do it.
Can't do it.
You know? And they're going, what do you mean? It's like it's a comfort thing. You're trying to be
Stand in
comfortable.
your
and
comfort
you just,
zone, yeah.
After a while you just can't. You know? And you have to be the hero of your own story, the artist of your own story.
Sure.
That's what I had said. And they're like, that is so awesome.
I never thought about that.
You know?
That's funny.
Yep. So
Okay.
get out of bed.
So
wake up.
I kind of chose red and blue because I wanted some purple in there. So I'm going to take it out and see how much purple we
I
got.
got some gloves. I brought some gloves if you
Okay,
need some.
you know what?
You know,
I might
got
actually
some
take
blue.
you up
Just-
on that. Yes,
go ahead and do that.
absolutely. Last time we did a paint project, I ended up getting paint on my heels.
Oh, yeah.
And then I forgot to wipe it off, so it's kind of a permanent reminder
You'll always
of all the
remember.
fun that we had.
Exactly.
Yeah, of course.
Yep. I think I'm wearing those socks today.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Love it.
Oh, I think every pair of socks I have paint on them.
Constant memory.
Yes.
Yes, that is
exactly.
amazing.
Sort of art scars or art birthmarks or
Yes.
something like that.
Okay, so
these.
John, you shared a little bit about your art education, the classes that you teach.
Certainly.
How can folks get in contact with you if they want to reach out?
Yep.
Maybe follow you on socials.
Certainly.
How can
So-
we reach out?
Yep, so I'm on social media, all of it as far as I know, at Really John David, because
Because
I'm
he's really John
yep,
David.
I'm really John David. That came up last night. One student had said that, you're really John
Really
David.
John David.
You know? Which is, I suppose, good and bad or something like that. You know, some places, aren't maybe ready for the level or the intensity or something like that. The energy, right?
The energy.
Yeah,
There you
the
go.
energy that I bring, because I've been told you vibrate at a really high frequency or something like that.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, I guess so. And dogs can hear everything I say. So,
Okay, so I took mine out of the plastic bag, and the paper actually ripped in some
Oh.
point, I think from the wet paper.
yeah, that
Or
can
from
happen.
the wet
That
paint,
can
but it
happen.
looks kind of cool.
Yep.
Does it not? Like the
Yes,
white in the middle?
absolutely. And you could just cover some of that up. You can move. You
Yeah.
can still move the paint around. I took mine out.
Okay, I really enjoy this.
Because this is just a start. Every piece I work on, okay, or when I start it, or when I begin working on it, and even when I'm done, I say, well, that's a good start.
Yeah.
You know, and then I'll work on another one. Someone will ask me, like, how's it going? Well, it's a good start.
That's a good mentality to have.
Aren't you ever done? And that came up in the class last night, or I guess the first session of the class, and again last night. When do you know something's done?
Right.
When do you know an art piece is done? You know, and so do you guys have a rule
I do
for
not.
that sort of thing?
I'm intrigued to the answer.
Oh,
though.
great, great. Okay, so yes, when do you know something's done? When it takes far too much time and far too much effort to make one little change, it's most likely done.
Got it.
And that
okay.
goes for relationships too.
Fair.
He's spitting fast
He
this
is.
morning.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, should we do a final demonstration? Are we finished up over
I
there?
think-
So I
yeah.
got this, and you actually
went-
took it out and you started putting
I
paint
did.
on.
I used the gloves and spread
Yes,
it out a little
and
bit.
that's
And
really
there's no
cool.
rules.
No.
Okay,
no.
awesome. Well, this is so much fun. Okay, great to do with the kiddos,
Yep.
but kind of any age, I think.
Yes,
like you
absolutely.
mentioned.
If you need to have that type of experience, that type of, I don't know, relaxation, or stimulation,
Yeah.
you know, to work
exactly.
things around. Yep.
Sensory, like you were talking about.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, well, awesome. So we can check you out on social media.
Certainly,
Get
yep.
in contact with you, attend some classes. And
Yep.
if you want to go back actually and check out our old This Is How You Make It segments with John
right.
David Birdall, they're
Yeah.
all on our website.
Absolutely.
And
People
our
ask me where to
Facebook.
watch those.
Yes, absolutely. They're on our website, Facebook. If you are looking for some ideas to do with the kids, grandkids, check those out. And
Yeah,
thank you
please
so
do.
much for joining us, you guys. But don't go anywhere. We have such a jam-packed show this morning. The studio is completely full,
Yeah,
so
you
stick
ought to
around.
see it. It's so awesome.